leave a like and subscribe, and let's get on to the video. Okay, so my sister's going to go first.
Okay, so I have all these slimes. I would want to pick this one because it's my favorite. So I think I liked about it. I added sand to it and food.
And by the way, we're on her bed, so that's if you're wondering.
It's super stretchy and it's really soft because my sister added sand to it. And then I like to poke it. It rises up though. Now
Wait,
my sister's turn.
back
And I
right
named
here.
this.
They can't see it. They have to put it like right here.
And I named it I'm still thinking. It looks like the slime where gum. It's not this though. It looks like gum that was, if that fruit punch Starburst gum, when you chew it after, that's what it looks like. So you should try it, the fruit punch Starburst gum, and take it out of your mouth after you chew it, and then see what color it is. It'll look good.
Don't do what she just said. Please don't do that.
But this is not gum, right?
No, it's not. But don't do that. That's just nasty. That's just disgusting.
Just try it, and then after wash your hands.
Don't. Please don't.
Please do.
Okay, let's move on to...
Okay. Now it will be my sister's turn to show her slime. Can I put it back?
Yeah, put it back. Okay. So, next.
Oh my god.
Sorry. It keeps falling, but we got it figured out. Can you scroll over?
Escucha. How about this?
Okay. And by the way, we're on her,
You already said that?
yeah, her, bed.
You guys like my shirt?
If you didn't
It's a
hear me.
doggy with one of those
Stop talking about
eyeliners,
random stuff.
and then a hat, and then a mustache.
Stop talking about random stuff. Okay. Sorry, my sister is kind of annoying, so. It's kind of sticky, but
Can I feel it too?
It's really pretty. No.
How mean.
Shut up. Okay, it's kind of sticky, but it's really pretty, and
What'd you name it?
it's like a lime green color with green sparkles and iridescent sparkles.
Just tell them what you named it.
I didn't name it.
But just tell us a name that you're thinking of.
Probably. Sorry, I can't pronounce it right.
Probably.
Whatever.
I mean, neither.
Maybe.
Probably.
Probably.
Really?
Oh my god, it's like a ghost is in here and knocking down my tablet. And by the way, I'm on my tablet right now because it has a case on it and it can stand up on its own. So that's why I'm recording on my tablet. And it's really big, so it keeps falling down. Well, it's not big, but... And so here it's lime green. It has green sparkle.
Lime green?
Green glitter, and
What did you name it? You're thinking of lime? Maybe
smells really good because it has detergent in it.
And
That's how I activate it. Okay,
now
so on to my sister.
it is my turn, and
Be careful, it didn't fall out.
I
Mine is liquidy. Don't do that.
Ah!
Stop! Oh my god, my sister's...
I'm going to
I'm probably
choose.
not gonna post this video. Maybe we're gonna restart. So
I'm gonna try this one, and it's really cool. Lean it down, and I like it a lot. But this is probably the best one. It feels like all the same ones, but this one piece has more sand in it. But I don't like the color. I named it Rotten Green Apple. I mean, a rotten Granny Smith apple. What should I name it? Rotten green apple?
Yeah.
Rotten green apple, okay. And
So
I named it rotten green apple.
you already said that.
It's
3
really
times.
dark.
Okay, on to me. Okay, so next slime. This one. This one is my favorite. Yeah, this one's my favorite.
She makes some of the green slime into it.
Yeah, there was an accident and I was trying to put it away and some of the green slime got into it, but it's all good. So this one is my favorite.
I like this
Let me
one
get it off.
best.
They're all sticky, but they're not that stretchy. But
Which one's your white one?
shh. Oh my God, she's so annoying. Stop.
I want to play with my slime.
No, it's my thing.
Cha-cha.
Shut up.
I don't have to.
I'm not posting this video. I'm gonna do it without you.
But you can't use my slimes. You only have
I won't. I'm gonna take your slimes out. Okay. So this one is blue
I
with
like that
red
slime.
sparkles. You probably can't see it because I don't know why, but the lighting in here is like not dark, but
We have a colorful changing
it's like
light.
it looks like it's bright in here, like the sun is shining in like a window. You can see, but it's not. It's I don't know, but it looks like it's really like light. What it looks like. I don't know what it's called, but you probably know what I mean.
How do they know?
And it has red and
What are you gonna name it?
red and iridescent.
What are you gonna name it?
Shut up! I'm not naming any of them. My God. Okay, I hate her. Okay, so it has red sparkle glitter and iridescent glitter, and it's really pretty. And yeah. So
I want to my sister. So it is my turn, and I'm going to pick this slime. Guys, don't you know, it looks like a lot like poop, but
they can't see.
I was going to name it Autumn Caramel.
Or caramel apples because it has red and green sparkles in it. Or
Yeah,
glitter.
maybe.
You should call it that.
Caramel apple. I want to eat candy apples now.
It's the same thing as caramel apples. Okay, on to me. Ah! Oh my God. Okay, next is my slime. And it's a purple slime. And it's really pretty. I like it a lot. And it's probably my second or third favorite slime. And at the end, we're gonna show you all the slime together.
Yeah, at the end, I'm going to make a slime smoothie.
Yeah, she's gonna do a slime smoothie. Not me, because I'm scared that it's gonna turn ugly and brown. But she doesn't care about her slime, so she's gonna do a slime smoothie. I don't know why people do slime smoothies though. I think that's what I
You know Kayla from We Are the Davises?
Yeah.
Her slime smoothie turned out really
Who's
good.
Kayla?
From We Are the Davises.
Who's We Are the Davises? Oh, the stupid show that Audrey watches.
I do too.
They're stupid.
I don't really watch it no more. And she she made a slime smoothie, and it turned out good because it looked like a banana color, but bright, like a neon color.
What colors did she use?
Brown, blue, pink, purple, yellow, a lot. And she took a slime smoothie that she already made and put it into the slime smoothie.
So this is it. It has some foam beads in it, and I'm gonna add more later to it, but let's get on.
It is my turn, and this is my last one. This is the color I already had because I didn't want to change the colors. I mixed purple and a green together, and it made like a bad color. But if you are at my house,
Yeah, I gave her 2
it looks
slimes.
good. It looks good on the video, but when you
If you've seen it in real life.
yeah, if you've seen it like in real life, it's really ugly.
Okay, just get on to the video.
And I named it garbage can. Okay. On to the next one.
You already said that. Whatever. Okay, so this is my last slime, or the last thing that we're doing. Oh,
It
wait,
looks
no.
so bright on
Yeah, it
camera.
looks so glossy and bright, but it's not. It's not. But it's really pretty. It looks like, what's it called? I don't know.
Sky blue.
No, it just looks. Stop moving the camera. I had to go everywhere you. Stop! Oh my god, I hate.
Time for the slime.
No,
smoothie.
okay, and then next, after her, we're doing a slime. Well, not me, but she's doing a slime smoothie, and
I only have 4.
we're gonna see how that turns out. Some people only do 2.
What the?
Yeah, so 4 is enough. But that's fine. You should have mixed your slimes together. So, it's
My turn. Okay, I'm making my slime smoothie.
Okay.
now.
So that was our brother. That's our brother right
Yeah.
there. And so don't mind him in the background.
So I'm going to show you. MJ. What?
We're not.
No, MJ, no, put it up. I want you to put it up.
Why?
I want you to put it up. I want to put a slime on his head.
No.
He wants hair. Okay. So I'm gonna add these 2 together. No, I want to do these 2. Can you make this guy hair?
That one.
It's that one and this one. He doesn't have hair.
Yeah. He's not
It's
supposed to.
MJ. He
What?
just farted.
No, that was this.
No, MJ farted.
No, I swear it was. I rubbed my hand against this.
Oh, look at you sticking that for your brother.
I swear. Whatever.
Did you fart? No. I want him to
Just
have
mix them
hair.
all together.
Hey, are you stupid? Stop.
I thought you were mixing them all together.
I was only going to do this one. Stupid. Fucker.
So that is it for our slime video.